kids! Welcome back to XoraTale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter W. Are you ready? Let's go! W for water. Water. W for window. Window. W for wheel. Wheel. W for watch. Watch. Let's repeat it again. W for water. W for window. W for wheel. W for watch. W for wall. Wall. W for worm. Worm. W for wind. Wind. W for wings. Wings. Let's repeat it again. W for wall. W for worm. W for wind. W for wings. W for watermelon. Watermelon. W for whale. Whale. W for wood. Wood. W for wagon. Wagon. Let's repeat it again. W for watermelon. W for whale. W for wood. W for wagon. W for window pane. Window pane. W for well. Well. W for wool. Wool. W for wave. Wave. Let's repeat it again. W for window pane. W for well. W for wool. W for wave. W for woman. Woman. W for wink. Wink. W for world. World. W for web. Web. Let's repeat it again. W for woman. W for wink. W for world. W for web. Now you've learned the letter W. Let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, W for water. What is this? Great, W for window. What is this? Good job, W for whale. What do we wear to keep warm? Yes, W for wool. What shows us the time? Right, W for watch. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter X.